way. The Discovery Club, bounce and learn all day. The Discovery Club, adventures on the way. The Discovery Club, come join us, hooray! The Discovery Club.
Hi friends, welcome to the Discovery Club. Today, we're discovering something we feel almost every day. Why does the wind blow? Let's watch what happens. Look at that! The kite is pulling, the leaves are flying, and the hat is rolling away. But nobody is touching them. So what's moving everything? Can you see the wind? No, we can't see it. But can you feel it? On your face, in your hair. That feeling has a name. It's called wind. It's not magic, and it's not invisible hands. It's actually something very simple. Wind is air that is moving. Now here's the big question. Why does air start moving at all? The answer begins with the sun. The sun shines on the earth every day, but the sun does not heat the earth the same everywhere. Some places get warmer, some places stay cooler. When air gets warm, it becomes lighter, and lighter air moves up, 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 and up into the sky. But look closely. When warm air goes up, it leaves an empty space behind. Air moves to fill empty spaces. So what happens next? Cool air from nearby rushes in to fill that space. And when air starts moving like this, that moving air is called wind. So remember this. Warm air goes up. Cool air moves in. And that movement makes wind. Not all wind feels the same. Sometimes air moves slowly. That's a gentle breeze. It helps kites fly. It keeps us cool. But sometimes air moves very fast. That makes strong wind. Strong wind can bend trees. It can make big waves in the ocean. The faster the air moves, the stronger the wind feels. Wind is not just powerful. It is also very helpful. Wind helps move clouds across the sky. It helps turn windmills to make electricity. It helps sailboats move across the water. It even helps dry our clothes faster. Thank you, wind. So let's remember. Wind is air that is moving. The sun heats the earth. Warm air goes up. Cool air rushes in. And that's why the wind blows. Next time you feel the wind, look around and see what's moving. If you enjoyed learning with us today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Discovery Club.